Thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name is Taylor Keene, and today what we're going to do is show you how when you're slicing an image, what are the settings you should use for the slice of your GIF, um, and go from there. If you do have questions about slicing in general or about why, things like that, then you can check out a video that I will paste the link for in the description below. Um, so this has already been sliced. So this is after you slice your email up. It's gonna look something like this. I know that slice two right here is the GIF. So if you go File and then you go Export and then you go Save for Web, we'll bring it up right here. And so you can click. It's not every panel can be the same. Every panel can be different as well. So it's like this panel right here is going to be, I always go interlaced. So interlaced means it's going to show the image or the GIF like a blurry version of it, even before it's fully loaded. So I kind of like that for the emails because I feel like that helps a little bit with, at least if they have a slow internet connection, they know there's an email that's about to pop up. But again, we're just focusing on the GIFs today. So I'm going to click into the second one, which I know is a GIF. And then you can also tell, here's the GIF timeline for that GIF as well below. But when you export for web, you can choose optimize 2 up or 4 up. These will make them smaller as you go, but optimized usually is just fine. This GIF is going to be 596.2K kilobytes. So what we're going to want to do is just this slice right here. It's fine. You can choose if your GIF is too big and you need to make it smaller. You could choose less colors. You could adjust the dithering, but right here we'll just keep it simple. For most GIFs, as long as you're exporting from the PSD, you should be able to do this. And I choose usually adaptive. I'm not going to even go through the other ones today. We're going to keep it as adaptive and easy. And then diffusion, I use know that you can do no dither, diffusion. Again, I'm not going over these. I'm just showing you how to easily do this. Keep transparency on. I use dither, diffusion transparency dither, and then interlace, same thing, and then colors 256, dither 0%. I leave it as the background white color, amount 100%. Web snap is going to be 0. Convert to sRGB, no metadata. 600 width is going to be the optimal size. Bicubic sharper is what you're going to want to use when you're reducing in size. So it's probably what I would use. And then you can see you have looping options. Again, yep. And your looping options if you want it to be forever, if you don't only want it to go through once, if you want to create a different pattern, there you go. And we'll leave it there. We're good to go. So you can see the other ones are going to be PNGs, which is still what I want for those. And then this is the GIF. So then you click save. And let's do it on a desktop. Email test. It's going to create a folder that says images every time. So I just put it in another folder and then you can go save. And let's not make this a .gif file because I'm just going to call this boom, settings, custom, all slices, images only, save. And then let's go look at this real quickly. And it's going to pop up right here, and then you can see when we open this that it is sliced as a GIF properly. So overall, I know that wasn't too long of a video, but I hope that helps when you're trying to slice your PSDs with GIFs and then moving those GIFs into your respective email platform. Yep, if you have any more questions, as always, leave them in the comments below. Feel free to send us a message. We appreciate you all.